Okay, so what is being in the money versus being out of the money? When it comes to binary options, this whole, concept of being in the money or out of the money is discussed very frequently. In the money essentially means that you wagered correctly. Out of the money simply means that you wagered incorrectly. To give you an example, let's say you have picked up binary options worth, let's say $500 on a particular stock. Let's say Apple, which is trading at $100, and you have wagered that it will, you know, end the day's trade at $105 or above. Now, what happens is you predict correctly, and the stock actually ends the day's trade at $105 or above. And say the broker in question is offering a 75% return when you're in the money, and you have bought how much? $500 worth of binary options. So what you will earn is you'll get your $500 back, plus you will get 75% of $500, which is 375 US dollars. So 500 plus 375, $875 is what you earn on the $500 that you wagered. So effectively you're, and depending on the time period, you might maybe just before, trading time, you've put your wager, and within a matter of minutes you've, had this phenomenal return. So that's how it works, where, within very little time you can earn, such phenomenal returns. Now at the same time, it's important that you understand, where you're out of the money. Out of the money is when you've predicted incorrectly. Now in the same example, instead of $105, suppose the stock even ended at $104 or $104.5, you're still not at the level which you wagered. So when that happens, you are out of the money. Now when it comes to these binary options brokers, a lot of them don't offer anything when you're out of the money. So which means that your $500 would be gone. But a lot of them today, what they're doing is, instead of taking away everything, you'll get some portion of your money back. So let's say 10%. Okay, let's say 10% even when you're out of the money. So 10% of $500 would be $50. So you wagered $500, you got back $50, and you lost $450 because you were out of the money. Now what brokers are increasingly doing is that instead of, giving back so little, they might increase it. So instead of 10%, you might get 15% back, you might get 20% back, and so on. So 15% you might get $75 back, 20% means you'll get $100 back on the $500, that you wagered, and so on. So but this would help you understand the, very concept of being in the money versus being out of the money. Cheers.